My name is Prince Kenneth Onyema. I'm the heir apparent of the throne of Eze Onyema of Ogwu Ikepele. I'm the son of Igwe Eze Onyema, the Igwe of Ogwu Ikepele, Igwe Gidiga. And what we're actually celebrating here is the Last Ofala of Igwe, who joined his ancestors. For some time, we had to wait, as tradition demands, for this moment to commence it. It started it's a 9-day series of traditional events. It started last Thursday, I think. We concluded on the Grand Ofala, Last Ofala, on March 2nd, Saturday, which will be a public outing.
So today's ceremony is called Okwa. Okwa. What we will do today is to walk through the community and announcing our presence, and the community will in turn invite us into their homes to give us their gifts, and we in turn will give them our. That's the tradition of our people. My name is Dr. Dominic Chukwuemeka Valentine Onyema Obuagu Omezu. I'm His Royal Majesty's son, His Royal Majesty Igwe Ogidiga Anyenu Malanya Nola Miri Abogidi Ndigenge Chuzo Okpali Igbo Ezi Igbo Oshimiri Adimogugu Egoba, who was the son of Eze Onyema II, who was also king of Ogwu Ikepele. We're here celebrating in the customs and traditions of Ogwu Ikepele community in Anambra, Obaru, Anambra, in Nigeria. We have traveled from New York City, where I live with my wife, Olikeze, my children, Mbejimubo Kamado, Chukwuma Onyema, and my daughter, Adocha, Nwa Ogene Ma Ofatani.
Chez toi, ou bien je vais chez moi. Kidam gala, yadam. Adu jungaman, dah jungamgo. Adu jungaman, dah jungamgo. Kidam gala, yadam. San Jalel Galemaan Malajem Galam Tade Gili Koine Musi Adu Junga Manda Hajungambo Garajade Gili Koine Musi Mbaga Koine chez moi, ou bien on va chez toi.
was very full of humility. He was a man of destiny, and he has transitioned to be with his ancestors, but we're always together. I am a representative of my ancestry, and I carry them in my DNA. When we meet, they meet. Igwe was my father, my brother, and I was his son. I'm also Igwe Gidiga's godfather. We communicate across the divide, and lives like Igwe's come through the earth once in a blue. People call themselves stars and galaxy and all that, but Igwe's life was rich and transcended.
My name is Prince Oscar Nduka Onyema, OON. I'm the third son of His Royal Majesty Eze Onyema III and Her Royal Majesty Rebecca Nwanyeshigo Onyema, the Odobo of Ogwu Ikepele. My dad really represented a force for good. Having been trained at the UAC, the United African Company, and having worked with them for about 35, 36 years, culminating in him becoming the first Nigerian general manager, today called divisional CEO in the United African Company. He took the throne of his forefathers in 1976 as Onyema III, and has done a lot to progress the community, both from his personal donations to advocacy with the government for building of the road, dredging of the Niger, and things like that. So we have a lot that we've learned from him. Given his selfless nature, the fact that he was very frugal, the fact that he loved his community and did a lot, from building a police station to health center to post office to a number of other things that he has done for the community. And so really, having lived a very long life and an impactful one, it is cause for joy and cause to celebrate his life.
My name is Dr. Rose Onyema Izoma. I'm the first child of His Royal Majesty Eze Onyema III, and I'm a pediatrician. My father, His Royal Majesty VBC Eze Onyema, is greatness personified, and he came from a royal family, and he worked hard in his profession and rose from the position of clerk to the first Nigerian general manager of GBO Levant, which is a division of USC. And he worked hard all his life. He traveled all over the world due to his job. And he raised us all equally, both boys and girls. And he is very encouraging education-wise. He wanted us to be whatever we want to be. And he was very strict with us and made sure that we achieve whatever we want to achieve. So we have lawyers, doctors, engineers, CEO of Nigerian Stock Exchange, has Rep Honorable Chukwuka Osonwa, and an administrator. So we all did very well because of the my father's emphasis on education.
Today, the Igbo is the highest, one of the most distinguished titles that we take in Ogwu Ikepele. So you will see them, they will come dressed in their regalia and they will dance and we will receive them. Of course, each of those days, when we say reception, we actually have merriment, rejoicing and thanking the gods for their blessings upon the late Igwe's life. Because on Saturday, we have the last grand reception behind at the field there. As being prepared for that. And we expect so many dignitaries from all over the world to come because Igwe lived a life that spanned beyond Nigeria. And so we're expecting them and they're going to be here. So that's it, that's what we are doing.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Ebuka King, Zobu, Enyimba, Toya Dike, Nenu Dike, Toya Dike, Nenu Dike, Iye Jamara Dike, Ruenu, Egweche Jigo, Iye Jamara Dike, Ruenu, Egwadagaligo. Omarunga basi, ona mekasi. Omarunga basi, ona piakasi. Aye, ife memego. The biggest fish you don't show. Everywhere you don't show. Obo de belu jinjin. Odalu, aye, ife memego. Ndike mobodo. Ndike jobodo. Obodo delu jinjin. Yeah. Aye, anya potago.
Wantana yeze, utukulani na focheze. Ifumu nigbo kwa mudede, nkwabi witese si pepe. Come see my palace and go tell your father, say man no be servant again. You where you jackpot with all of my carrots, you think say you no go skip it. Nigerian nightmare, style bender. See the swagger where I carry enter. Show fresh, but I carry mental. Fuck with my family, bad temper. Large entrance, check out the fat band down. Shall I quick comedy bartender? Big spending one the whole white tapada. I'm a Yoruba check.
Ndike mobodo. Ndike jobodo. Obodo delu jinjin.